Good morning, party people. I have decided to start putting the date that this video was posted up here in this banner so that people know today is actually today. And it's not some video that was posted some other time. A couple people have been having questions about that, and I think hopefully that'll clear it up. But I am still in the Portland area, Portland, Oregon, helping people that need some help, getting cars started, getting maintenance and stuff like that done. If you're in the area and you want me to try to help you, call or text and we'll get together, see if there's things I could do to help you. Now, didn't get that transmission and stuff in that 740 last night. Gotta try to get that accomplished today. However, got the oil pan put on, couple other things done, PCV stuff serviced on that red block, pulled the transmission off of that other engine that's going into that T5R, starting to get that manual swap stuff in position. Hopefully get that started tomorrow. And today I'm going to Beaverton to help a guy going and pick up some parts from iPd, swinging by the junkyard. Got a full day today, so that's where I'm at. If you got any questions, call or text. Check out the video links in the description area. And if you need some help and you're in Oregon, get in touch with me. Hopefully we can help you out. So I've been extending my room every couple of days. And a couple of days ago, I kicked it up through Saturday. I went down yesterday, which was Thursday, to try to extend till Monday. They said they were sold out Saturday night. So tomorrow, I'm probably going to have to move to a different hotel, probably on the south side of Portland. So I'll still be in the area until I finish helping people that have requested my help. And then we'll move on to other areas of Oregon and then into Northern California. So that's where I'm at. I appreciate you guys watching and hope to catch you soon. Hey, this is Robert, and I'm letting you know that we are on the road, traveling around the west part of the USA, helping people along the way. If you need help in Oregon, California, Arizona, Nevada, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, and Ohio, send me a message, call or text so I can write your information down and get in touch with you when I reach your area. I have brought a lot of tools with me, and I'm gathering parts that I can use to help people along the way. Please check the links in the description area so you can see how my traveling expedition may help you while I'm traveling through your area. Look forward to meeting you for meet and greets or helping you complete some kind of repair, maintenance, or projects you're working on. Thanks for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. Drove the car a little bit around the parking lot. Forgot something, went back in the room, come back out. Boom, no crank at all. So I took the shifter, pushed it in park a little bit, kind of wiggled the shifter around without moving anything. Fired right up, baby. We are headed to the post office, mail off some parts and supplies. And then we are headed to drop off a part to a viewer. Then we're headed to iPd. Whoop, whoop. Picked up some parts from iPd, baby. Look at that V90. All this good Volvo stuff out here. Whoop, whoop. Took those lights off of that blue car yesterday. And it seems like the low beams are blown in this. So we're going to check these low beams, replace those, and get some lights going on over here. Uh-oh. We are in trouble. It is now snowing out here. Oregon City, yuck! Eric's putting the replacement starter on. I'm getting this timing belt stuff off. I got the timing set. You see a notch there. Notch there. I did line it up with the cover. Now I'm going to check the mark on the crank. It looks good from here. Get this stuff off of here so we can put the new stuff on. Also going to replace that horrible bottle. To get better access to your water pump bolts and things for cleaning that up, to remove this engine mount and just do other things under here, it's best to raise the engine a little bit on this mount right here. So I'm going to pull these two bolts here, I'm jack the oil pan up with a floor jack and a piece of wood to protect it. When I get the lower bolt mount on the engine lined up with the upper bolt mount on the mount, I'm gonna put a bolt in there, and it'll raise this engine up about an inch or so that that stuff could be easy to deal with. Very easy, friendly thing to do. Go ahead and jack that up, and I'll let you know when to stop. So you'll see the mount start to move a little bit here when this touches the oil pan. Right there, hold on right there. So now I'm gonna take those 2 bolts out of that mount. Okay, go ahead up with it. Yep. I'll let you know when to stop. No, this is fine. Keep going. You'll see that hole line up here in a second. A little bit more. All right there. All right. Good. Yeah, I guess the come down just a little bit. Come down? Yeah, just a little bit. All right, up. Go back up a little bit. Just a smidgen. All right. All right, so now I'm gonna snug this bolt in here, and then I'm gonna get the weight off of that oil pan. My guess is that something was hung up a little bit and it broke loose. All right, go ahead and let that jack down. And now it's resting on that mount like that. That's good to go. You can leave it there. Stick we got from iPd. What you want to do, you want to line them up like that where the seal would be perfect. Then you come down here and you take the full mark on your old dipstick and you file a full mark on your new dipstick, because this dipstick is about a half quart off. So we're going to file a mark where the new dipstick full line would be. Fighting this water pump to get off, broke the timing belt cover. Now I'm just making sure I got all of the gasket material. There's a little bit of gasket right there need to come off, and then I need to polish it up with the wire brush, and I'll be done. So
I got some steel.
Let me get that little piece right there.
You got a wire brush.
Got it off. Time to polish it up with the wire brush. Water pump bolts torqued down. Man, this new inch-pound torque gauge I got, that's going to be very useful. Perfect for torquing down those water pump bolts. Get that timing belt cover epoxy. Getting ready to put the tensioner in, the idler in, the belt on, and get close to wrapping this up. And there's the cam seal. Look how far the whole thing's hanging out. Do. My little screwdriver or something. Screwdriver? I could pull that the rest of the way out with. There it is. It's a little poke. It's all the way out. Let me grab a new one, put it in there with the seal tool. Got my seal install tool. Put the seal on there. Drove that thing in until it stopped. Brand new seal, Volvo. Should last another 250,000 miles. On the NA cars, they have this little flap in here, and that little aluminum hose comes off of that. They got this little vacuum connection there. Very delicate, easy to break. And that comes up around the air box and plugs into the top port on the back of the air box, like a 2mm vacuum hose. Make sure you don't break those when you're pulling the air box out of the NA cars. All we got left is to tighten that bolt on that battery, and then wiggle that down as far as we can. Replace that cable for them. Then we're gonna fire this puppy up. See how much oil we got in here.
can.
We got enough oil. You need me to grab it?
I know I got one.
I got it. I got one handy. Alright, go ahead, start her up. Snug that down. Ah. Go over here and watch this timer belt. Yes, sir. Fired right up, baby. We are good to go. Tracking straight. We'll let it run for a minute or two and shut her down. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.